another day of winds and clouds in Cancun, Mexico. I had been staying on top of one of the tallest buildings in the hotel zone for a while, and it was time to head down to the beach to check it out.
Hello everybody and welcome to another video. I know that in my last video I said it would be the last one from Cancun, but my flight is actually leaving in 7 days, so we're gonna be doing one more video from here. The waves are really big today, I think because there is a Hurricane Iota. It's right now in Nicaragua and we're seeing some of that coming in here even though it's about 800 kilometers away from here.
A few days ago we had incredible sunshine in the town, but the typical rainstorms of the month of November were about to sweep over the town again. However, a lot of people are still coming from the United States, Canada, and the rest of the world.
So today I actually got the chance to go up to the very nicest penthouse here in these 3 buildings that you probably have seen in my videos. There's a private elevator that goes all the way up to it, and it's something that you would see in a movie almost.
I was about to go up in the elevator all the way to the top of the building, where there's a little house and 2 swimming pools.
So here we have the key that you need to get into this private elevator. It's the only elevator that takes you up to this penthouse.
The elevator goes straight up to the living room, and nobody else can use it.
So I thought I would show you this really incredible penthouse here. When you come in, you have a kitchen on that side, the living room here, and then you have an infinity pool and a bedroom. So we're gonna go and look at the infinity pool. There's a really incredible view here. There's a bit of the rain coming, but with this incredible Caribbean Sea you cannot complain even if there is rain. Perhaps we will also be doing some pool tricks here. Pool tricks. It's really windy, so it might not be a good idea to do some pool tricks here where you fall off the edge.
I was really excited for the pool tricks in the amazing infinity pool and with the incredible view.
Here is the bedroom, really nice. You have a view overlooking every single angle from here. It's like a little house on top of this building, so you can see the ocean on that side and the lagoon here on this side.
This was by far the coolest penthouses I had seen, especially since it's one of the tallest points in the hotel zone in Cancun, and also with one of the best views. Very nice here. I have 7 more days, as I said, before I'm leaving over to the west side of Mexico. That's gonna be really exciting. Very good. But this is such a nice place. I can't believe it. I've been staying here in these buildings for so long and it's been such an incredible time. I really like Cancun and I will definitely come back here later on in my life. Maybe if I'm rich I will buy some kind of house here. Maybe I will buy this apartment here when I'm extremely rich a couple of years from now. I have 2 pools actually. There's also 1 pool on top that I'm gonna show you now. Perhaps there will be double pool tricks today! Sometimes I think about the future and where I'm gonna end up in life. The years go by so fast. They say the best way to predict the future is to create it.
It's really windy out here, wow! Another storm! Oh! It's probably Hurricane Iota that's kind of making its way over here to Cancun. 2 seconds out there, totally wet. But it hasn't been that bad. Since my last video we had about 3 days of really good weather, but now it's time again for the storm and the rain. Hello! If you've been following my other videos and if you are looking to go to Cancun, you know that the weather has been really bad, but if you are looking to go here, I would say in about 2 or 3 weeks it's gonna be really good again. Sunshine for the rest of the year. That's
what the expert of Cancun has to say about the weather. Actually, before we get into the pool tricks here, I forgot that there is a room downstairs that we are gonna go and check out first before the pool tricks are coming. So keep watching if you want to see some great double pool tricks here.
The price for this unit is between $400 and $600 per night, depending on when you go.
It's like a little bunker here. Nobody can get you here. Nobody can know where I am. Nobody can get you here in the bunker. Nobody can get you here. Now, my friends, it's time for what you have all been waiting for. The pool tricks. Pool tricks. Pool tricks. My friends, it's time for a jump from the second floor into the pool on the first floor. I really wanted to film this with my drone, but it's raining and too windy, so unfortunately we are not gonna be able to see it from far out.
It would not be that high of a jump, but the pool was only a few feet deep, so that would be the most dangerous part.
I was about to do a great handstand out here, but it was a bit too windy. I wanted to do more pool tricks, but now it's like a storm. Look at the pool. Well, we are done with the pool tricks here, and I would like to say a big thank you to Tim's Ocean Condos, who have helped me out since I've been here. Big thanks, and they also rent out the place here that you can check out in the description. I also would like to say thanks to two other people that have helped me during my time here in the Yucatan Peninsula. My friend Miguel Torres in New York, and also my friend Jim Scher. I'm gonna go down to the hot tub a bit. I got a bit cold actually from the wind.
The hurricane season in the Caribbean usually ends in November, but this year has had more hurricanes than ever before in history. Hurricanes are formed by hot water and warm air, which is why they are created in the Caribbean. But with global warming, it's easy to realize why more hurricanes have been formed than ever before, simply because of the higher sea temperatures and the air temperatures. It's caused by humans, and if temperatures continue to rise, perhaps in the future we will see a hurricane season that never ends.
Just came back up here after my swim, and now we're gonna sit in the hot tub and heat up again and get ready for the night.
I was holding my breath and dreaming about this incredible place that I had got the chance to experience this year.
We're going up to finish up the day.
I came up to enjoy this incredible place, but I was ready to head over to the west side of Mexico.
I don't always eat chips and pasta. I also eat, today I have some beans and lentils. Not the most glamorous meal, but it's really healthy. Lentils and beans are so healthy for you. It's so good. Nom 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 nom.
In my last video I had a lot of requests for pool trick t-shirts. So I have designed 2 pool trick t-shirts now that I'm gonna show you and then see what you think. And I'm also gonna have, as I showed you in the previous video, the sheep that I also designed. So I'm gonna have 2 different websites, it's my plan. And yeah, this is what my pool trick t-shirts look like.
My sites are not ready yet, but I'm working on it, so please let me know what you think about these prints.
Can you hear the noise of the wind?
Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, if you enjoyed watching it, please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again, and see you next time.
Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.